Traditional beliefs about cholesterol have long painted it as a villain in the realm of health and nutrition. For decades, we've been told to avoid foods high in cholesterol to protect our hearts and overall well-being. However, recent research has unveiled a mind-blowing discovery that challenges this conventional wisdom. Eating cholesterol is good. In the past, cholesterol was demonized as a significant contributor to heart disease and other health issues. It was believed that consuming foods high in cholesterol, such as eggs and shellfish, could lead to clogged arteries and increased risk of cardiovascular problems. As a result, many people diligently avoided these foods to maintain their health. Surprisingly, recent studies have turned this belief in its head. Research now suggests that the cholesterol we consume from food has a minimal impact on our blood cholesterol levels. The body regulates its cholesterol production based on dietary intake, meaning that eating cholesterol-rich foods may not have the adverse effects once thought. This discovery is significant for viewers' health and well-being in several ways. Firstly, it opens a world of culinary possibilities, allowing individuals to enjoy previously restricted foods without guilt or fear. Once considered a dietary enemy, eggs are now recognized as a nutrient-dense source of protein and essential vitamins. Furthermore, embracing cholesterol-rich foods can have positive effects on overall health. Cholesterol plays a crucial role in the body as a building block for cell membranes and hormones. Including cholesterol in our diets can support vital bodily functions and POT1. How does genetics influence cholesterol levels and health outcomes? What are some examples of cholesterol-rich foods that can be incorporated into a balanced diet? What are the current dietary recommendations regarding the consumption of cholesterol? Initially improves our overall well-being. In conclusion, the revelation that eating cholesterol is beneficial marks a change in basic assumptions in our understanding of nutrition and health. Cholesterol is a waxy fat-like substance essential for the proper functioning of the human body. It is produced by the liver and obtained through dietary sources. Contrary to widely held belief, cholesterol is not inherently harmful. It plays a crucial role in various bodily functions. Cholesterol is a building block for cell membranes and is necessary for producing hormones like estrogen and testosterone. It also aids in the digestion of fats and the synthesis of vitamin D. Without cholesterol, our bodies would struggle to perform these vital tasks efficiently. There are two main types of cholesterol: low-density lipoprotein, LDL, and high-density lipoprotein, HDL. LDL cholesterol, often referred to as bad cholesterol, can contribute to the buildup of plaque in the arteries, increasing the risk of heart disease and stroke. On the other hand, HDL cholesterol, known as good cholesterol, helps remove LDL cholesterol from the bloodstream, reducing the risk of cardiovascular issues. One common misconception about cholesterol is that all cholesterol is harmful and should be avoided. While it is true that elevated levels of LDL cholesterol can be detrimental to health, demonizing all cholesterol overlooks its significant role in the body. Instead of focusing solely on reducing cholesterol intake, it is crucial to maintain a balance between LDL and HDL cholesterol levels. Dietary recommendations regarding cholesterol have evolved in recent years, with experts acknowledging that the impact of dietary cholesterol on blood cholesterol levels may be less significant than previously thought. While consuming cholesterol in moderation and prioritizing heart-healthy foods is still essential, the demonization of all cholesterol-rich foods is being reconsidered in light of new research. By recognizing the diverse types of cholesterol, dispelling common misconceptions, and reevaluating dietary recommendations, we can better support our overall well-being and cardiovascular health. Recent scientific research has brought to light a new perspective on the consumption of cholesterol, challenging the long-held belief that it is detrimental to health. Studies have emerged that suggest dietary cholesterol may not have the negative impact on blood cholesterol levels and heart health that was once thought. These findings have sparked a reevaluation of the role of cholesterol in our diets and its potential benefits for overall well-being. One essential study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that dietary cholesterol intake had trivial effect on blood cholesterol levels in most individuals. This contradicts the previous notion that consuming cholesterol-rich foods automatically leads to elevated cholesterol levels and increased risk of heart disease. The study suggests that genetics and overall diet play a more significant role in determining cholesterol levels than previously believed. For example, eggs, a classic source of dietary cholesterol, are packed with essential nutrients like protein, vitamins, and minerals. Including eggs in your diet can provide a satiating and nutrient-dense option that supports muscle growth, brain function, and overall health. Another cholesterol-rich food that has gained attention for its potential health benefits is seafood. Fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, linked to improved heart health, reduced inflammation, and enhanced cognitive function. By including these types of fish in your diet, you can reap the benefits of cholesterol and omega-3s for a well-rounded approach to nutrition. By incorporating cholesterol-rich foods like eggs and seafood into your meals, you can enjoy a diverse and nutrient-rich diet that supports your overall well-being. Incorporating cholesterol into a balanced diet can be crucial for promoting overall health and well-being. By including healthy sources of cholesterol in your daily meals and practicing portion control, you can enjoy the benefits of this essential nutrient while maintaining a balanced and nutritious diet. One practical tip for incorporating healthy sources of cholesterol into your meals is to include whole foods that are naturally rich in this nutrient. Eggs, for example, are a versatile and nutrient-dense source of cholesterol that can be enjoyed in numerous ways, such as scrambled, boiled, or in omelets. Including eggs in your breakfast, or as a protein-rich snack, can provide a satisfying and nutritious option for boosting your cholesterol intake. Another way to incorporate cholesterol into your diet is by including seafood, such as salmon, tuna, or shrimp. These sources of cholesterol are also rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which offer additional health benefits for heart health and brain function. Grilling, baking, or sautéing seafood can add variety to your meals, while increasing your intake of beneficial cholesterol. When consuming cholesterol-rich foods, portion control and balancing nutrition are important. While cholesterol is an essential nutrient, overconsumption can lead to potential health risks, especially for individuals with existing heart conditions or high cholesterol levels. Be mindful of serving sizes and aim to include a variety of nutrient-dense foods in your meals to support overall health. In addition to focusing on cholesterol consumption, it is crucial to consider overall dietary patterns and lifestyle factors for optimal health. Incorporating a variety of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats into your diet can provide a well-rounded approach to nutrition. Regular physical activity, adequate hydration, and sufficient sleep are essential to maintaining a healthy lifestyle and supporting overall well-being. Following these practical tips and guidelines for healthy cholesterol consumption, you can create a balanced and nutritious diet that promotes optimal health and vitality. Numerous myths and misconceptions about cholesterol consumption can cloud our understanding of its impact on heart health and overall well-being. By debunking these common myths and providing accurate information, we can empower viewers to make informed decisions about their diet and lifestyle. One prevalent myth is that all dietary cholesterol is harmful and should be avoided to protect heart health. Contrary to this belief, research has shown that the cholesterol we consume from food may have a more minor impact on blood cholesterol levels than previously thought. While being mindful of overall dietary patterns is essential, demonizing all cholesterol-rich foods overlooks cholesterol's vital role in the body. Dietary cholesterol refers to the cholesterol found in foods like eggs, shellfish, and meat, while blood cholesterol levels measure cholesterol circulating in the bloodstream. While high LDL cholesterol levels can increase the risk of heart disease, the relationship between dietary cholesterol and blood cholesterol levels is more complex than a simple cause and effect scenario. Empowering viewers with accurate information is crucial for dispelling myths and making informed decisions about their diet. By understanding the difference between dietary cholesterol and blood cholesterol levels, individuals can approach their food choices with a balanced perspective. In conclusion, debunking common myths and misconceptions about cholesterol consumption can pave the way for a more nuanced and informed approach to nutrition. By clarifying the relationship between dietary cholesterol and blood cholesterol levels, viewers can make empowered choices prioritizing health and vitality. In conclusion, the discussion surrounding cholesterol consumption has evolved, challenging traditional beliefs and shedding light on the potential benefits of including this essential nutrient in our diets. Throughout this video, we have explored the role of cholesterol in the body, debunked common myths and misconceptions, and highlighted the importance of incorporating healthy sources of cholesterol into a balanced diet. Research has shown that dietary cholesterol may not negatively impact blood cholesterol levels, which was once believed to open new possibilities for enjoying cholesterol-rich foods in moderation. As you continue your journey towards optimal health, we encourage you to explore further resources on cholesterol consumption and consult healthcare professionals if needed. Staying informed and seeking personalized guidance can help you navigate the complexities of nutrition and make choices that align with your individual health goals. We invite you to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content on health and nutrition. By joining our community, you can stay updated on the latest research, tips and strategies for enhancing your well-being through informed dietary choices. Together, let's embrace the benefits of cholesterol and empower ourselves to lead healthier, happier lives. Remember, when it comes to cholesterol, knowledge is power. By arming yourself with accurate information and adopting a balanced approach to nutrition, you can harness cholesterol's potential benefits to support your overall health and vitality. Thank you for reading, and here's to a future filled with informed choices and well-being.